The sensitization program by the Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory Agency underscores the need to let residents and professionals know that building collapse incidents have indirect negative impact on the economy. Getting professionals in the built industry in Eselfin Badagry community to keep into the certified structural integrated program. General Manager, Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory Agency, who was represented, stressed that it is a win-win situation for the government and the professionals, and that when stakeholders produce certified fit-for-purpose materials, tragedy of a building collapse can be collectively prevented.
The stakeholders meeting is solely because there's a Lagos State government policy, we call it CAP, where sister agencies are involved, at ensuring that all buildings, all constructions of buildings and other infrastructure in Lagos State are being monitored from their infancy stage to the completion stage. We want to reduce, if possible, eliminate the incessant collapse of buildings in Lagos State.
So that's why we have to bring all professionals in the industry, which are the artisans are part of the professionals. They are the ones to carry out the work on site as the instruction from the engineers. So for the artisans that are here today, they are taking home that they should get instructions from the engineers on site.
The Sensitization Forum presents a platform for stakeholders to seek clarification on the essence of getting the Materials Testing Laboratory Agency involved when they need to erect structures.
We are ready to comply with the Lagos State Material Testing Laboratory. We give them all our support, and likewise we want them to give us, to assist us, because there are many quack block makers. We want to eradicate them.
Consensus was to forge Unbreakable alliance and strengthen partnership for voluntary compliance with certified structural integrated program. In Lagos, Musa Toliat, NTA News.